Hey everyone, welcome back to Fluent Path. I'm Emma.
And I'm Oris. Today we've got a topic that, honestly, I think every single person listening can relate to.
Oh, for sure. Oris, be honest. Did you procrastinate on anything today?
Emma, I procrastinated on answering that question. I saw your message an hour ago.
See, that's exactly it. You had one small task, reply to a message, and you just didn't.
I kept telling myself, I'll do it in 5 minutes. And then 5 minutes became an hour, and then somehow I was watching videos about, I don't even remember what.
That happens to me too. I open my laptop to write one email, and 30 minutes later, I'm reading about something totally random. Yesterday, I meant to write a shopping list, and instead, I read an article about penguins.
Penguins.
Don't ask. It's like our brains find any excuse to avoid the boring task.
Totally. The brain says anything but that.
Exactly. That's the classic procrastination trap. And today, we're going to talk about it. What it means, how it feels, and some simple words you can use to describe it in English.
Plus, a little tip that actually helped me, so stick around for that.
Let's get into it. So first, what is procrastination, really? In simple terms, it's when you delay doing something, even though you know you should do it now.
Right. It's not about being lazy necessarily. Sometimes it's about fear, or feeling overwhelmed, or just not knowing where to start. But the result is the same. The task doesn't get done.
And it doesn't matter if you're a student, a worker, or learning English. This happens to everyone.
Everyone. No exceptions. Even people who look super organized on the outside.
True. I know someone who has the most beautiful planner full of colors and stickers, and she still procrastinates constantly.
The planner's just for decoration then.
Basically, yes. Okay, today we've got 5 keywords and phrases to help you talk about this in English. Let's go. Word number 1, to put off. P-U-T-O-F-F. Put off. This means to delay something, to do it later instead of now.
Example, I keep putting off my English practice. Or, don't put off your homework until Sunday night.
Try saying that one out loud, listeners. I put it off.
Word number 2, procrastinate. P-R-O-C-R-A-S-T-I-N-A-T-E. Procrastinate. This is the big word. It means to keep delaying tasks, usually as a habit.
Example, I always procrastinate before exams. Or simply, stop procrastinating.
It sounds like a heavy word, but it's just a fancy way of saying put off.
Word number 3, overwhelmed. O-V-E-R-W-H-E-L-M-E-D. Overwhelmed. This means you have too much to do, and you feel stressed or stuck because of it.
Example, I felt so overwhelmed by my to-do list that I just closed my laptop and watched TV instead.
That feeling, too much, all at once, that's overwhelmed.
And word number 4, a small step. Just 2 simple words, but powerful. It means one tiny, easy action toward a bigger goal.
Example, I didn't clean the whole house. I just took one small step and washed the dishes.
And here's a bonus one, word number 5, to get started. G-E-T-S-T-A-R-T-E-D. Get started. This just means to begin, to take that very first action.
Example, the hardest part is always getting started. After that, it's easier.
So true. Once you get started, the task doesn't feel so scary anymore.
Now, here's something fun. Let's compare the weight of these words. Overwhelmed feels heavy, right? It's like carrying a huge backpack full of rocks.
Totally. But a small step? That feels light, like putting down just one rock at a time.
And getting started? That's like taking off the backpack for just 1 second, just to see how light you can feel.
So when you're procrastinating, you're often stuck under that heavy backpack. And the solution isn't to lift the whole thing at once.
It's to take out just one small step and get started.
Nice. I like that image.
Okay, Oris, tell us, do you have a real story about procrastination? Something that actually happened to you?
Oh, definitely. So a few months ago, I had this habit. Every morning, before even getting out of bed, I would check my phone. Emails, messages, social media, everything.
Oh no.
And by the time I finally got up, I already felt tired. Overwhelmed, actually. That word we just learned. My brain was full before the day even started.
So what happened?
I kept putting off making a change. I told myself, I'll fix this next week, for months. I even downloaded an app to help me, and then I put off using the app too.
That's next level procrastination.
Exactly. But eventually, I tried just one small step. I put my phone in another room at night. That's it. Nothing big.
And?
And it changed my whole morning. I got up, and my mind was calm. No overwhelmed feeling, just quiet. I actually had time to make coffee slowly instead of rushing.
That's such a good example. And Oris, I think it's important to say, it's okay that it took you months to change this.
Yeah, I used to feel bad about that. Like, why didn't I do this sooner?
But that's not helpful, right? Everyone procrastinates sometimes. The goal isn't to be perfect. It's to be gentle with yourself. And just try one small step when you're ready.
Be gentle with yourself. I like that. It's very different from being hard on yourself.
Definitely. Progress, not perfection.
Progress, not perfection. That should be on a t-shirt.
Okay, so you mentioned a tip earlier. What's the trick that actually helps you get started in the moment when you really don't want to?
It's really simple. It's called the 2-minute rule. You tell yourself, I'll do this for just 2 minutes.
Just 2 minutes?
Just 2. Not the whole task, just 2 minutes of it. So instead of saying, I need to clean the whole kitchen, you say, I'll wash dishes for 2 minutes.
And what happens after the 2 minutes?
Honestly, most of the time I keep going because the hardest part was starting, not continuing.
That makes so much sense. It's like the small step we talked about, but with a timer.
Exactly. And even if you stop after 2 minutes, that's fine too. You still did something instead of putting it off completely.
I love that. It takes away the pressure. You're not promising yourself an hour of hard work, just 2 minutes.
Right. And 2 minutes feels easy. Nobody's overwhelmed by 2 minutes.
I'm going to try that with my English studying, actually. Instead of thinking I need to study for an hour, I'll just say 2 minutes of vocabulary.
See, you're already using our 5 words in a real sentence.
I am, aren't I? All right, let's do a quick word tour. I'll say the word. Oris, you give a simple definition and a fast example. Ready?
Ready.
Put off.
To delay something. Example, I put off calling the doctor.
Procrastinate.
To delay tasks as a habit. Example, she procrastinates on Sunday nights.
Overwhelmed.
Feeling like there's too much to handle. Example, he felt overwhelmed by the project.
A small step.
One easy action toward a goal. Example, I took a small step and organized just one drawer.
And get started.
To begin, to take the first action. Example, once I get started, I don't want to stop.
Great job. Listeners, try repeating those 5 words out loud one more time. Put off, procrastinate, overwhelmed, a small step, get started.
Perfect practice. Say them again tomorrow, and they'll start to stick.
Okay, before we go, we want to hear from you. Here's today's question. What's one thing you've been putting off lately?
You can answer in the comments, in English. Even a short sentence is great practice. Try something like, I've been putting off, and finish the sentence.
Maybe it's cleaning your room, maybe it's starting a new habit, maybe it's just replying to a message like Oris.
Fair enough.
We really do read the comments, so don't be shy. Practicing English in real sentences about real life is one of the best ways to improve.
And remember, you don't need to fix everything today. You don't need the perfect plan.
You just need one small step.
Or even just 2 minutes.
Right, even just 2 minutes.
Small steps taken consistently build real progress. In English and in life.
That's it for today's episode. Thank you for staying on your Fluent Path with us.
See you in the next one. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.